As an Edinburgh-based kitchen design studio, who have now been trading for over a decade, part of our continued success is the way we support and help our clients, from initial presentation right the way through the design process to the installation. Now, the installation is carried out by our dedicated in-house fitting team, and the beauty of that is that our attention to detail, which we strive for in every kitchen design, is maintained throughout the process.
No matter who comes through the door, I look to approach design in a fairly unconventional way. I actually look at the correct spatial design for the room before I even consider the kitchen design, and everything seems to flow from there on. I feel that with great design I can change the way that people feel in their space. For me, consider design is everything.